Good evening, students. In the previous class, we are discussing about balancing of redox reaction by ion-electron method in acid media. And this class, we are discussing about in alkali or base media. Okay, so let me take one reaction. MnO4 minus plus I minus gives rise to MnO2 and I2. Already we know that here. So the oxidation state of manganese is in permanganate anion is +7, and here, so means in the case of this one, so x minus, okay, for suppose MnO2 in the case of this, so this is x plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to +4. Right now manganese oxidation state is +4. Already we know that this is the -1 and is the molecular state is 0. So means here what is happens? Manganese changes its oxidation number from +7 to +4, and iodine is changes its oxidation number -1 to 0. -1 to 0. So means what is happens here? So simply manganese undergoes reduction reaction, iodine undergoes oxidation reaction. Why? Because for suppose here in the case of manganese, +7 to +4, +7 to +4, decrease in oxidation number is said to be uh, reduction, and increase in oxidation number is said to be oxidation. So means -1 to 0, that is the oxidation. So right now here, simple, this is the reduction. So this is the reduction reaction, and this is the oxidation reaction, reduction and oxidation reaction. So right now, for suppose here, next let me divide reduction of cell and oxidation of cell. So means here MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2. Next, in other side, we should taking here Mn, not Mn, I minus gives rise to I2. I minus gives rise to I2. So first, in base medium or in alkali medium, we can balance the same. First step is same, balance other than oxygen and hydrogen. So other than oxygen means manganese, one manganese, one manganese. So one iodine is there, but two iodines are there. So just I am writing here 2 in front of the I minus. Two iodines and I2 is balanced right now. So next we can balance the oxygens. We can balance the oxygen. So in the case of base medium, to balance the oxygen, we can add the OH minus units where there is deficiency of oxygen. So means here MnO4, 4 oxygens are here, and here 2 oxygens are there. So that's why I'm writing here MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2 plus 2 OH minus units were added this side. Right now 2 oxygens and 2 oxygen, 4 oxygens, and here next year also 4 oxygens are balanced. Here it was no need of balance. We should write same 2I minus I2. 2I minus I2 is same. Next, so here 2 hydrogens are there, but this side is no hydrogens are is there. So means in the place of hydrogens, so means we can replace the, so means where there is deficiency of hydrogen, that side we are adding the water units. So means here, for suppose in the case of that, there is a, that side is 2 hydrogens are there. So MnO4 minus plus we should add 2 water units. 2 water units gives rise to MnO2 plus 2 OH minus, 2 OH minus. After adding this, but it is what is happens, 2 2 ja 4 is there, 2 2 ja 4, and here also 2 OH minus. First we can add one water unit. So why? Because 2 hydrogens and 2 hydrogens are balanced. But what about this oxygen and oxygen? So means oxygen and oxygen, 5 oxygens, but this side is only 4 oxygens. So that's why I'm adding. So just I'm double this 2H2O by using hit and trial method, 2H2O. So means 4 hydrogens are there. So just I'm changing this into 4 right now. Just check here. So 4 plus 2, 6 oxygens. Here 2 plus 4, 6 oxygens are balanced, and next 2 to the 4 and 4 hydrogens are balanced. It was saying 2I minus, 2I minus and I2, 2I minus I2. Next, I minus, in the case of I minus. So what is the atomic number of I minus? For suppose it's a fluorine family, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So means it's a 9. 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 18, 35, 35 plus 18, 53. So means 53 is the atomic number of iodine. So means in this, from the 53 means here 53 electrons are present in iodine. 53 electrons are present in iodine. So means 53 minus 1 is there. 53 minus 1 means 54. But 2 units are there. 54 into 2, how much? 108 electrons are present this side. And this side what is present? 106 electrons are present. Okay. So 108 is present and 108 electrons. 108 electrons and 106 are present. So that's why. So just we are adding 2I minus gives rise to I2 plus. I just add how many electrons? So this side is 108 and that side is 106. So means just I am adding 2 electrons at this side. Same here, plus 7 to plus 4. Plus 7 to plus 4. So means here in manganese actually 26 electrons are present. Sorry, 25 electrons are present. 25 minus 7, 23. And this side 23 and this side what is present? Simple, 21 are present. So means here 18 and 23. How many electrons we can add here? 3 electrons. Which side? This side. So means we should write MnO4 minus plus 2H2O plus 3 electrons gives rise to MnO2 plus 4OH minus 4OH minus. So we can balance the electrons also. Next let me see, we can balance the charges. So this is 2I, it is 2I minus gives rise to I2 plus 2 electrons. I am taking these 2 electrons by adding both. So here MnO4 minus plus 2H2O plus 3 electrons gives rise to MnO2 plus 4OH minus 4OH minus. So this was totally multiplied by 2 and that equation 2I minus gives rise to I2 plus 2 electrons. 2 electrons. This total equation is multiplied by 3 to balance the charges. So let me write here. Let me write here. So about 2 into MnO4, 2 MnO4. 2 MnO4 minus plus 2 to the 4H2O plus 2 3 the 6 electrons gives rise to 2 MnO2 plus 8 OH minus units. 8 OH minus units. Next, 3 to the 6 I minus gives rise to 3 to the 3 I2 plus 3 to the 6 electrons. That's it. Next, here what is happens? 6 electrons or 6 electrons are get cancelled. Next, as usual, we should write same equation. What is that equation? 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 6I minus gives rise to 2MnO4, 2MnO2 plus 8OH minus plus 3I2, 3I2. Right now, is the reaction is balanced or not? We can check here. 2 manganese, 2 manganese, balanced. Next, 2 4 ja 8 oxygens here, and here 8 plus 4, 12. So 2 2 ja 4 and 8 oxygen, 12 is balanced. Hydrogens, 4 2 ja 8 and here also 8 hydrogens are balanced. Next 6 iodines and here also 6 iodines. So the given reaction was balanced. So this was the uh, balancing of redox reaction in alkali by ion electron method. Ion electron method. Okay, na? Only in what is the difference between acid media and base media means in acid media, in spite of to balance the oxygens, we are adding water there. But here to balance the oxygen, we are adding OH minus and we are using it and trial method in the case of alkali. So in the case of alkali, it was a little bit difficult than acid media. Thank you.